Hi folks, Kenny from ScotPhil. If you find my videos relevant, please subscribe and please like. Let's make a video. What do we need? A smartphone, and that's about it. Check this out. This is going to be biased towards Android because that's what I use and I'm no expert on other operating systems. I'm not claiming to be an expert here either, but I do have some experience and I'm happy to pass it on. If you have anything other than an Android smartphone, you can still go to youtube.com and register for an account. But if you are an Android user, it's far easier. You'll already have a Google Mail or Gmail address, and if you don't already know it, a YouTube channel too. Google, Android, YouTube amongst others, all come under the Alphabet Inc. umbrella. If it's not already on your phone, download the YouTube app from the Play Store and you're ready to go. Looking back at 3 of my previous videos, 005, 006 and 007, I'll tell you how easy it was to post these on YouTube. 005 was taken on the first night of the Clap for Carers event when it was still dark. 006 was taken 2 weeks later, in daylight, after the clocks went forward. Both of these are 1.5 minutes long and recorded on my phone. After watching them back, I tapped the share icon, selected YouTube and uploaded straight to my account. Easy peasy, that's it. No big waffle, no long process. Record, play back, share, YouTube. Of course, you can take it a bit further and use an editor like I did 2 weeks later with Video 007. All I did was type in some text, but I think you can see it adds a bit more to it. That brings me on to studios and editors. Again, you don't need anything fancy. As you can see from the wardrobe behind me, I'm in a bedroom. Actually, it's quite a small bedroom, which is going unused at the moment. I've got a light source, the window. Although it would be better in front of me, never ever have it behind you. A light in front of me which helps, my little laptop, and a free editor called Shortcut. You can see for yourself, that's my 7-year-old laptop, my so-called studio light, handheld gimbal for my phone, a battery backup pack which charges any of my portables when needed. That is the extent of my studio. My main camera, my camera drone, and everything else has already been sent to the Philippines and is waiting for me there. There you are then, a little recap. A phone is enough if you want to take some simple videos and upload them to YouTube. A very simple studio is all you need to make some straightforward edited videos. Don't go spending a fortune on the latest and greatest of tech, unless you're considering becoming a professional. If that's the case, seek some professional help before you do. That's my little bit on how to make a YouTube video the easy way. Remember to subscribe and like. Stay safe, stay well, see you soon, hopefully.